asked to bring you a warning message. There is a child murderer on the loose. Two children, known as Jack and Emma Williams, have gone missing and were found days ago, headless and covered in blood. The parents are nowhere to be seen, nor have comment on it. The only evidence we could find was a tape called Max and Ruby 0004. We will begin investigation shortly. Please stay inside.
Rowan, you know who's calling. You know what we have to do. Unless you want to end up like your useless father, I suggest you follow my instructions. Meet me around the park, 8 p.m. Come alone. Otherwise it will get messy. And I don't like being disobeyed.